Okay, now we have our specialty retailer, and we'd like to...
This award will be handed out by William Kessler from ICSC. Bill, excuse me.
And on the short list we have City Fit, Empik, Douglas, Helios, MediaMarkt, Rossmann, Pepco, RTV Euro AGD, Sico Bedrooms and Kitchens, and SMIC.
It's coming. Okay, so Bill is...
Let me say it.
Okay.
All right. Listen, I'm here, and I want to thank Craig Smith and Europa Properties, who are one of ICSC's media partners in Europe. So thank you very much for that. And because of that, he very kindly gave me the opportunity to give a brief plug for our conference, the ICSC, the 43rd or 44th Annual European Conference in Barcelona, which I can promise sunshine, palm trees, and a beach, in addition to a great program. So mark your calendars, April 10th and 11th.
10th and 11th, sunshine.
Thank you.
Margaritas, I heard.
Margaritas. A pool party, so it'll be a great
Pool
event.
party of margaritas.
Yeah,
I'm in. Tell us who the winner is.
All right. Can I have the drum roll, please? The drum roll. And the winner is Rossmann.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you for supporting our event, and we're excited about coming to Barcelona. Welcome. Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words.
Good evening. I'm extremely grateful to you for appreciating the Rossmann brand. Personally, I feel honored to be a part of this success, and I really believe that we will remain at the top in the future as well. Thank you and have a good night.
And come join us for a photo. You can't get away that easy.